G'day guys, Jim coming at you here at Christmas Wonderland here in Singapore. And in Singapore for a couple of days. And where's Buba? Well, Buba's packing tonight. So I decided to come out and check out this Christmas lights here. Just next to Marina Bays here in Singapore. You can see Marina Bays there in the background. And absolutely spectacular here actually. Holly Roger done really well. I think it's a bit better than, a bit bigger than last year. But I could be wrong. Yeah, so yeah, anyway, I'm going to roll to a video back in November when Buba came to West Australia for the first time. We went down south, we had a fantastic time down there, and made some video. Haven't still got around to editing that video yet, so yeah, let's roll this video back in November. It's only recently, months go so quick, and we went down south. And yeah, we had a good time. It was, just haven't got around to editing the video. But anyway, like I said, I'm here in Singapore at the moment. But anyway, like I said, Buba's packing, and then we're gonna travel to another country from here for the first time. It'll be exciting. See if I can make a video or two. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's check out this video back in November. Yeah. Down at Margaret River actually, went down to the caves, and Buba really enjoyed it. So check it out. Let's go. Let's roll. See the microphone, Buba. How's it, Buba? See it, Buba. Buba, smelly Buba. Margaret River Rotary Park Station.
Okay.
Oh, Buba.
We go to the river. How can you see the river, Buba?
Down here, Buba.
You know that? Have you been
No.
there?
Yeah, when I was a kid, Buba. Look at this Margaret River. Buba, this is lovely. Ah, Buba, look at that, Buba.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, go ahead, Buba. Go ahead, Buba.
Ah, nice water, Buba.
Yeah. Buba!
Hey, welcome to Margaret River. It's beautiful, Buba.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Very sunny and beautiful. I like the...
Yes, Buba. Wishing well, Buba. There's wishing well over there.
Ah, there you go.
Bill's.
The river. We need to see the river.
Huh? There.
Okay,
Go bridge?
Huh?
You want to cross the bridge?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go down there. This is the food for us. The hairy marrow.
Looks lovely, Buba. Look at Buba. Let's go, Buba. Let's go, Buba.
This is the river, Buba.
Yes, Buba. This is a river, dear.
Margaret River. It's not the sea, Buba.
No, it's not the sea, dear. It's the river. It's not the sea, dear. It's the river. It's the river, Buba. What's in here? Marins? Any Marins in here?
Margaret River and explore what is in
She's a
here.
gorgeous little gal. Yeah, Buba.
Oh, beautiful.
Buba.
Ah, the trees are so high here.
Trees are so high, my lady said. Lady, look at this, da. Yeah.
Do you think it's also near the sea?
Huh?
Do you think it's also near the sea?
It's not too far, I guess, dear. Look on the map, my lover. Alright.
Let's check it out. There, the map.
Yes, dear. So the map says
Nipa house.
Old Settlement. This here. That's the footbridge. Margaret River. There it is, dear. Margaret River.
Ducks,
Old.
meat, bed and breakfast. Let's try to check this out. Where do you want?
Yeah. Yeah. What's the camera?
Huh? Here?
Yeah.
No, you're coming. You need to. Baba.
Yeah?
Like this.
Okay.
There.
Yeah.
Baba, look at me.
Okay.
Buba,
Yeah.
Buba, here.
Yeah.
Here. And then you're on the, so that our tummies, you are like, yeah, there.
Bubba, it's beautiful, Bubba.
Baba, it's beautiful. The winery is beautiful. Baba, this is beautiful. Hold on.
So we at the Bass.
Bass.
We can get a front on the way back,
I think
Bubba.
this is the oldest winery.
Yes.
Baba, I
Yours?
think. Let me take a picture.
Go on.
Yeah. Wilson.
Can you take a picture of us? Yeah. Yep, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maybe you want that.
Yeah.
Is that yours?
No, it's not mine.
Right?
Yeah.
I'll just go a bit closer.
Sunny up?
Wait.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sexy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. Okay, so g'day guys, Jim Comniche at the Bass.
That's Felix. This is the oldest winery here in Margaret River.
This is the oldest winery here in Margaret River.
As
That's
per
my
the
lady.
tourist
The
guide.
helicopter's just landed over there, Bubba. First vintage in 1971. It's the oldest vines in Margaret River wine region, as my lady said. Helicopter's just landed over there. Helicopter landed over there, so that would be cool. I'm assuming it's from here, so. My lady, she's very excited to check this out. Look, there she is there. Look. I think we also ran over a goanna on the way, unfortunately, but not much I could do about it. He didn't get off the road. Bubba? Yeah. That's nice. Grass is really... Yes. Yes, Bubba?
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. It's beautiful, my dear. Nice, warm, sunny day.
Nice work, sunny day.
Right. Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah? Oh, you want a photo?
Yeah, I want a photo. Here,
Okay.
Baba, here.
What's the photo? Where? Yeah?
Ask them.
Yeah? You gonna... You want us together?
Yeah. One together.
Okay.
Let's ask.
It's beautiful, dear.
Huh?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yes. Beautiful day too, dear.
Very beautiful. Did you video that? I cannot video anymore.
You can't video anymore?
Beautiful winery.
Beautiful wineries, dear.
And this one. Beautiful wineries.
Beautiful wineries, dear.
Let's go.
Okay. Yeah. Huh?
Look at this. Don't you think it's beautiful? Winery? Nice. Where's the other winery? Here we. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, this one.
That's a good one.
Good one.
Very good. Very good one, dear. The vault. This is where it's all kept here. The vault. There. $2012. Well, it's 2012, 2011, 2010. Yeah, it's got different. It goes 2009, 2008, 2007, way back. Some more in there. See the first one. What's the first one up here? Oh wow, it's got a date. I'll have to see it. It's really. Oh yeah, 1972, dear. Yeah. 1972. That one there. That's the same
older
age.
than you, Papa.
Same age as me.
Ah,
1974. What year? What? No, 79. There's your there.
That's
There.
1972.
79. Look, that's the same
Ah,
age as you.
Yeah.
79. That's one 74. That's me.
1974, Baba. Baba,
Yeah.
what is this? I want to see. Curious to see what is this. Is this the grapes? Where's the grapes? I don't see the grapes, Baba.
The grapes, these are the grapes here, dear.
Where?
That's in there. They're just growing, see?
But there's no grapes.
No, but they're still...
Ah, yeah, see?
Yeah.
Grapes.
Yeah.
Where is the one with the grapes?
That's the grapes, the little ones.
Yeah, little ones only.
Little ones, but they actually... Yeah.
Let's go up.
Yeah?
Go down.
This little lady, she's 6. It's Bubba's 6.
Beautiful, right?
It is.
Beautiful.